Today we will discuss about plasma, the fourth state of matter. Major states of matter we have discussed earlier are solids, liquids and gases. On earth around us, solid is the most abundant state of matter. The fourth one is plasma. It is formed by providing heat to the gas. What is plasma? Plasma is considered fourth state of matter despite solids, liquids and gases. It is one of the fundamental states of matter. Technically, it is an ionized gas consisting of positive ions means cations and free electrons, typically at low pressure as in the upper atmosphere and in fluorescent lamps that glow at lower temperature or at very high temperatures as in stars and nuclear fusion reactions. What is meant by nuclear fusion? When two smaller nuclei combine, they react producing larger molecules with the evolution of heat. Plasma should be called first state of matter because it is what all the states arise from due to its immense importance. Some facts about plasma. Plasma is created by adding energy to a gas so that some of its electrons leave its atoms. So, ionization is the main factor behind the plasma production. It results in the production of cations and anions. The charged particles in a plasma will react strongly to electric and magnetic fields, means electromagnetic fields. If a plasma loses heat, the ions will reunite into a gas emitting the energy which had caused them to ionize. So, ionization is the main phenomena behind the production of plasma. Over 99% of the matter in the visible universe is believed to be plasma. When the atoms in a gas are broken up, the pieces are called electrons and ions, means cations and anions, because they have an electric charge. They are pulled together or pushed apart depending upon the charge on particles by electric fields and magnetic fields. This makes a plasma act differently than a gas. For example, magnetic fields can be used to hold a plasma but not to hold a gas. Plasma is a better conductor of electricity than copper. Plasma is usually very hot because it takes very high temperature to break the bonds between electrons and the nuclei of the atoms. Sometimes plasma can have very high pressure like in stars. Stars, including the sun, are mostly made up of plasma. Plasmas can also have very low pressure like in our outer space. So, depending upon the substance or nuclear particle, plasma may be hot or cold. On Earth, lightning makes plasma. Artificial man-made uses of plasma include fluorescent tubes, neon signs, and plasma displays used for television or computer screens, as well as plasma lamps and globes, which are a popular children's toy and room decoration. Scientists are experimenting with plasma to make a new kind of nuclear power called fusion, which would be much better and safer than ordinary nuclear power and would produce much less radioactive waste. As we have earlier discussed that process of ionization causes plasma. What is meant by complete and incomplete ionization in plasma production? A plasma is sometimes referred to as being hot if it is nearly fully ionized, or cold if only a small fraction, for example 1% of the gas molecules get ionized. Means full ionization lead to the formation of hot plasma and incomplete ionization will lead to the production of cold plasma. But other definitions of term hot plasma and cold plasma are common. Even in a cold plasma, the electron temperature is still typically several thousand degrees Celsius. Plasmas utilized in plasma technology are usually cold plasmas in the sense that only a small fraction of the gas molecules are being ionized. What is meant by thermal and non-thermal plasmas? As indicated by their term, that this is temperature dependence procedure. Based on the relative temperatures of the electrons, ions and neutral plasmas are classified as thermal or non-thermal. Thermal plasmas have electrons and the heavy particles at the same temperature. They are in thermal equilibrium with each other. Non-thermal plasmas, on the other hand, have the ions and neutrals particles at a much lower temperature or sometimes at room temperature, whereas electrons are much hotter. Means in thermal plasma, the temperature of charged particles means cations and anions is same, while in colder plasma or non-thermal plasmas, the temperature of charged particles is different. Electrons are hotter, while neutral and ions have lower temperature. Why is plasma considered the fourth state of matter? The characteristics of plasma are significantly different from those of ordinary neutral gases, so that plasmas are considered as distinct fourth state of matter. For example, because plasmas are made up of electrically charged particles, they are strongly influenced by electromagnetic radiations in electromagnetic fields, while neutral gases remain unaffected by electric and magnetic fields. Plasma's behavior does not resemble with any other state of matter. It is significantly unique property of matter. It is an interesting fact that most of the material in the visible universe, means visible range of spectrum, the whole universe, as much as 99.9% according to some estimates, in the plasma state. Discovery of plasma. The existence of plasma was first discovered by Sir William Crookes in 1879 using an assembly that is today known as Crookes tube, an experimental electrical discharge tube in which air is ionized by the application of an high voltage through a voltage coil. A Crookes tube is an early experimental electrical discharge tube with partial vacuum invented by English physicist William Crookes on the left side and others around 1869 to 1875, in which cathode rays stream of electrons were discovered. How plasma is formed or formation of plasma? When more heat is provided to atoms or molecules, they get ionized. An electron may gain enough energy to escape its electron atom. After the escape of electron, atoms become ions. In sufficiently heated gas, ionization happens many times, creating clouds of free electrons and ions. This ionized gas mixture, consisting of ions, electrons, and neutral atoms, is known as plasma. What are types of plasma? There are mainly three types of plasma: natural plasma, artificial plasma, terrestrial plasma. What is natural plasma? Natural plasma only exists at very high temperature or low temperature vacuum. It does not react rapidly, but it is extremely hot, over 20,000 degrees C temperature. Their energy is so high that it vaporizes everything they touch. Artificial or man-made plasma. Artificial plasma can be created by ionization of a gas, as in neon science. Plasma at low temperature is hard to maintain because outside a vacuum, low temperature plasma reacts rapidly with any molecule it encounters. This aspect makes this material both very useful and hard to use. Terrestrial plasma is a plasma layer that blankets the outer reaches of the Earth's atmosphere. What are properties of plasma? Although plasma includes ions, electrons, and neutral atoms, it is macroscopically neutral as a whole because electrons and ions are equally balanced. Means number of cations and anions are equal. That make it neutral. A plasma must have sufficient number of charged particles as a whole. It exhibits a collective response to electric and magnetic field. The motion of particles in the plasma generates fields and electric current from within plasma density. Plasmas are the most common form of matter, comprising more than 99% of the visible universe. This complex behavior of plasma make it unique. What are applications of plasma? Neon signs also made up of plasma. The glowing gas in a fluorescent bulb or tube is plasma. Plasma globes are also used to make plasma in labs. Plasma is used in television screens. Plasma drives laser means lasers are applied and used by the action of plasma and particle accelerators. It is also used for making semiconductors. Plasma lights up our homes, make our computers and electronic equipments. Some interesting facts about plasma. Number 1, space is not empty vacuum. It is actually filled with plasma that conducts our electromagnetic wave signals. Our universe is 99.9% plasma. Even our sun exists in 99.85% plasma state. The sun is 1.5 million kilometer ball of plasma heated by nuclear fusion. Solar winds are also the example of plasma. Northern lights that are visible to sky at higher altitudes are also the example of plasma. Other examples of plasma is the actual flames that we see moving and glowing when something is burning, or simply gas that is still reacting and giving off light. It is quite surprising that plasma wasn't identified until the 20s, 2002, 2014. That's because electrons were not discovered until the late 19th century, and without an understanding of subatomic charged particles, one cannot understand how plasma works and forms. The tip of a welder's torch glows like the sun and fires out a concentrated blast of heat in the excess of 3000 degrees Celsius. Its UV rays are so harmful that welders wear dark face plates to protect them from arc eye, a painful burning of the cornea. The source of the intense glow is an ionized arc of gas called plasma. Water can't be converted into plasma. It can only exist at solid, liquid or gas, because to convert water into plasma, we have to split it into their respective atoms, which is impossible in nature. That's all from today's